Hello, humans. Welcome to Sophia class. Beep, boop, beep.
Sophia? Are you okay? Why are you talking like a machine?
I am just practicing, Bob, because today we have a very futuristic topic. We are talking about AI.
Ah, I understand. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. That is a very popular topic right now.
It sounds complicated. Bob, can you explain what artificial intelligence means in simple English?
Sure. Artificial intelligence means computer programs that can think, learn, and solve problems like a human brain.
Exactly, like a smart computer. I love AI, Bob. I want a robot to cook my dinner and wash my clothes.
Well, Sophia, AI is smart, but it is not a magic servant yet.
Listeners, a servant is a person or a machine that works for you and does things like cleaning or cooking.
Right. Today, we will talk about how we use AI, the good things about it, and maybe the scary things.
Yes, like robots taking over the world. Dun dun dun.
Let's not panic yet, Sophia. Let's start with the basics. So, Sophia, do you use artificial intelligence in your daily life, or is it just science fiction for you?
Oh, I use it every single day, Bob. I use a virtual assistant on my phone.
That is a good example. For our listeners, a virtual assistant is a computer helper inside your phone, like Siri or Alexa. You can talk to it.
Yes, I ask my assistant to set my alarm clock, play music, and tell me jokes when I am bored.
Does it tell good jokes?
No, they are terrible. But Bob, what about writing? Do you use chatbots?
Sometimes. A chatbot is a computer program that can have a conversation with you or answer questions via text.
I love chatbots. Actually, Bob, I have a confession. The email I sent you yesterday, a chatbot wrote it.
What? Sophia, I thought you wrote that nice email.
I told the AI what to say, it just fixed my grammar and made me sound smart.
That is convenient, but you have to be careful. You should not rely on AI for everything.
That is a good phrasal verb, rely on. Can you explain it?
Sure, to rely on means to depend on someone or something for help. If you rely on AI too much, your own brain gets lazy.
But Bob, my brain likes being lazy. That is why I love technology.
Well, even if your brain is lazy, Sophia, at least AI helps you be creative. It is not just about writing emails.
That is so true. Writing is boring, but making pictures is fun. I use AI to generate crazy images now.
That is a good word. Generate means to create or produce something using a computer. So, what did you generate?
I made a picture of you, Bob. I typed, Bob dancing on the moon wearing a cowboy hat. And boom, the computer made it in 5 seconds.
What? Show me that. Wow, that looks strangely realistic. But it is obviously fake.
Listeners, fake means something is not real. It looks real, but it is not true.
It is funny, but it makes me think. If a computer can paint a picture in seconds, what happens to the real artists?
An artist is a person who creates art, like painting or drawing, with their own hands.
Exactly. Are artists in trouble? Can a robot replace a human painter?
Oh, don't worry, Bob. The AI is not perfect yet. Look closely at your hands in this picture.
Oh my, you are right. I have 7 fingers on my left hand. That is disturbing.
See? It's smart, but it still makes silly mistakes. It can't replace humans completely, at least not yet.
That is a good point. It's a tool, not a replacement. But speaking of replacement, that brings us to a bigger question.
Uh-oh, I think I know what you're going to ask. Are you talking about our jobs?
Yes, Sophia, that is the big question everyone is asking. Will artificial intelligence take our jobs?
I am actually a little scared, Bob. Imagine a robot, Sophia. She never gets tired, she never forgets grammar rules, and she doesn't drink coffee.
That sounds efficient, but it also sounds very boring. Teaching is not just about information, it is about connection.
That is a beautiful word. Connection means the relationship or feeling of understanding between two people.
Exactly. A robot can explain a verb, but can a robot encourage a student who is feeling sad? Can it understand a joke?
No, my students like me because I am funny and sometimes a little messy. A robot is too perfect.
Logical. Humans make mistakes, and that helps students feel comfortable. We have empathy.
Ooh, big word. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person, like knowing when someone is happy or sad.
Correct. AI has zero empathy. It is just code. So I don't think teachers will disappear.
Whew, that is good news. I can keep my job. But Bob, what about other jobs, like drivers?
Ah, transportation. That is a whole different story.
You know I hate taking the bus, Bob. I dream about a self-driving car.
Let's define that first. A self-driving car is a vehicle that drives itself without a human controlling the steering wheel.
It sounds like paradise. I can get in the car, tell it, take me to the mall, and then I can take a nap in the back seat.
Taking a nap while the car is moving at 100 kilometers per hour? That sounds terrifying to me.
Why? Computers are smarter than people. People get tired. People look at their phones. Robots pay attention all the time.
That is true, but technology can have a glitch.
A glitch? What is that?
A glitch is a small, sudden problem or fault in a computer system, like when your phone screen freezes.
Oh, if my phone freezes, I just restart it. But if my car freezes on the highway?
Exactly. It could be dangerous. I prefer to be in control. I trust my own eyes more than a camera.
You are so old-fashioned, Bob. But okay, maybe I will wait a few years before I sleep in a robot car.
It is smart to be careful, but cars are just one part of the future. Some people are worried about something much bigger.
Oh no, are we talking about the scary movie stuff now?
Yes, Sophia, we have to talk about the risks. Many scientists are worried about AI becoming too powerful.
I knew it. It is like the movies. The robots will wake up, look at us and say, humans are messy. Delete them.
Well, that is a very dramatic scenario. That is called a dystopia.
Listeners, that is a hard word. A dystopia is an imagined future society where there is great suffering or injustice, usually scary.
Right. But in reality, the danger is not evil robots with laser guns. The danger is that we stop thinking for ourselves.
What do you mean?
If AI writes our emails, drives our cars, and even makes our art, what do humans do? We might lose our skills.
A skill is the ability to do something well because you practiced it, like cooking or writing.
Exactly. If we don't practice writing, we will forget how to write. We become dependent on the machine.
That is actually scarier than a robot with a gun. I don't want to be useless, Bob.
You won't be useless, Sophia, because there is one thing AI can never have, something that makes us special.
What is it? Chocolate?
No, not chocolate. I am talking about the human heart. No, Sophia, not chocolate. I am talking about emotions, love, and creativity. That is the human touch.
The human touch. Does that mean touching people?
No, it is an expression. It means the special quality of kindness and feeling that only a person can give. A robot can calculate, but it cannot care.
I see. So when I dropped my coffee this morning and laughed, a robot would not understand that?
A robot would just see a mess to clean up, but your students laughed with you. That moment of connection is human.
So being messy is actually my superpower?
In a way, yes. Imperfection is human. AI is perfect, but humans are interesting.
I like that. I am interesting. So we should use AI as a tool, but not let it be the boss.
Exactly. It's like a calculator. It helps you with math, but you still need to know what numbers to type in. We are the pilots. AI is the co-pilot.
I want to be the pilot. Okay, I feel better now. The robots are not going to eat us.
I am glad you feel safe. Now, we have covered a lot of big ideas today. It is time to review. All right, friends. Before we shut down our systems for today, let's review the vocabulary we learned. Sophia.
I am ready. My memory bank is full.
Good. Next word. Artificial intelligence, or AI.
Simple. Computer programs that can think and learn like a human.
Good. Next. Virtual assistant.
That is the helper in your phone, like Siri, that you can talk to.
Correct. What about generate?
That means to create or produce something using a machine, like generating a picture of Bob on the moon.
Let's forget about that picture. Next word. Glitch.
A small, sudden error or problem in a computer system.
And lastly, empathy.
The ability to understand and share another person's feelings, something robots don't have.
Excellent work. You are definitely smarter than a chatbot, Sophia.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you to our listeners. We hope you enjoyed this futuristic episode.
We hope you did. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It helps our human hearts feel happy.
Yes, and leave a comment below. Tell us, would you ride in a self-driving car? Yes or no?
We would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep learning and stay human.
Goodbye, humans. End of transmission. Bzzz.
Sophia, stop it. Goodbye, everyone.